Hi, I'm Tony Williams, and we're here at the QC Charge World Headquarters in beautiful San Marcos, California. It's a gorgeous day in Southern California with perfectly blue skies. And we're here to talk about what are we talking about, Alex?
We've got the Setec Power vehicle-to-load power supply.
Wow, that's pretty cool. What does it do?
So it plugs into the CHAdeMO port on the car. And then
All
you
right.
can run an AC load, 110 volts, from the car.
Okay, what car are we going to use?
We're using a Toyota RAV4 EV.
Is that better than the Tesla Model X over there, or the Nissan Leaf back there, or the Toyota or the Tesla Roadster back there?
It's a wonderful car.
Beautiful, let's do it.
All right.
Wow, that is quite a car.
We'll open up the CHAdeMO port there.
Wait a minute, this car didn't have a CHAdeMO port. What's going on here?
That's the JdeMO DC fast charging kit for the 2012 to 2014 Toyota RAV4 EV.
Are you kidding me? That's available?
That's awesome.
All right, let's use it.
All right. First, plug in.
Okay,
The power switch on the side of the unit here.
let's go look at that. All right, I heard a click. It's not going to catch on fire, is it?
Give it a click, and then we'll hit the start button on the unit.
Okay. The blue light came on. I think that means it's locked, right?
Yep.
And I also heard a click under here, which I believe is the contactors that are connecting DC power from the onboard battery to power this unit. So what happens next?
Now we'll plug in our load. We'll use this air compressor right
A
here.
lowly Craftsman air compressor like most people have sitting in their garage somewhere.
Just plug in right there.
Okay.
We'll flip it on.